We're starting with right feet, holding left hand. The girl is facing the line, the guy is facing opposite line. We're starting with sway, sway crosses. Left hand, very important. Okay, we're starting with sway, sway, and cross. The other sway, sway, cross brings the girl inside to face out. We pull and he takes her to his side, so both face the center. 1, 2, and 3, and behind, side, cross. We're turning the girl on the line in 3. We walk 3 on the line. And then we lift left as we pull and we switch. Pull and switch, and back in the line to begin. Again, sway and cross. She's facing out now. She's facing the center, and behind, side, cross. He turns her on the line. He walks after her, and we pull and switch, and back in the line, and a brush, face to face, left shoulder to left shoulder, for a transition. Moving to the right. Side behind, lean, turn to 3, passing your partner, mind with the lift of the left, behind, side, cross. Getting into a hug position, right shoulder to right shoulder. We're going to turn in 4 steps. Full turn, 1, 2, 3, 4. She's going to go out, he's going to be in, Hafanale and Cherkessia with left. 1, 2, 3, Cherkessia with left. Coming in 2 steps, left, right, grabbing hands, swinging to the right on your left foot. 1, hold, back, and swing back to the left. Now your left knee up. And then you're going to drop hands and do a back in and out. She puts hands on the shoulder, we go forward and back. We grab right hands, we sway and get into a hug position to turn one more time in 4 steps. 1, 2, 3, for Nale again. And Cherkessia. And again, the 2 step forward with left and swing and back and swing back. Drop hands, back in the line. Now forward and back, and then we sway and wait, grab the hand, and we end the dance with sway, sway, with the right, sway, sway, and turn the girl with left hand to her left to original position. 1, 2, 3, and 4, and that's it. The very, very end of the dance, we're going to add a sway and hug, and that's it. Thank you.